Alrighty, here's our next performer, Air Oshinuga. In the Pitts S1S. See there, look at him. He's doing those spirals. Coming down. This way, 'cause I can't see him. Where'd he go? There he is. Coming down. Going up. Going straight down. Turns the smoke off. There's a bloop there. I can't even see him. I'm gonna turn my brightness up on my camera. I'm gonna turn my brightness up to full because I can't see him. There he is. Coming right down back towards the ground here. Look at his little roll. He is now inverted. Coming around. Going straight up. He's going to make his run. Alright, he's doing a half cube and 8 now. A nice little hammerhead stall, nice little snap roll. Coming back down. Half cube and 8. Going back up. Going to do the other half. Going to make his way down. Roll it inverted. And there you go. There's a cube and 8. Coming at us here. Right over the top of me here. Just going to cover the camera there. Coming around. Doing the hitting the rudder there, coming back up. So I want to save all my footage to the very end to see the Blue Angels. So I might not film some of the performances. Alright, he's cut the smoke there. You can still see him right there on camera. Now where'd he go? I still see him. Oh, he's over there. Alright, here he comes. He's got the smoke back on now. He's coming right down the runway here. See the smoke. We're watching Air Oshinuga coming in now. The Pitts S1S, a nifty little biplane, used in aerobatic competition and of course also used for air racing. Which this is one of them here. This is one of the National Championship air racing aircraft here because it'll show the number 33 on the side. So Air Oshinuga is coming around again. He'll be right up above me here when he re-enters. There he is. Getting up a little higher now. Such a nifty little biplane the Pitts S1S is. There he is, coming around, circling over us here, checking us out. Smoke on! Here we go. Do a little smoke burst over the top of us here. And that's Air Oshinuga. He's getting ready to come into land, so there you go. Air Oshinuga, everybody. Alrighty, taking off now, the F-35 Lightning II. You see him out there? He is the next one. Airborne here. Yeah, I think Air Oshinuga went into land. Taking off now is the F-35 Lightning II. Here he comes. He's getting ready to come in for the power loop. Here we go. The F-35B Lightning II approaching it from the left. Here he comes in for the power loop. I hear him. Here he is. There he is. Yep. Comes in for the power loop. He's probably right over me here. Yeah, he's really... Yeah, oh my God, he is. Here he comes. Oh my God. Wow, this is the best spot here. Woo! Wow! Where is he? There he is. Here he comes back down. Alright, he's getting ready to come in now for the high-speed pass. From the right. High-speed pass here from right to left. The F-35B Lightning II. He's coming here. I can hear it. I can see him. I'll wait for that glare off the canopy. Where'd he go? There he is. Yeah, baby! Oh! Wow! There's the firewall, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, look at that. Whoops. And we're going to see that again later with Tora. Which that'll be towards the end of the show. Got all those birds startled over there. Alright, now zoom back. I can hear him coming. Where is he? Oh, there he is! I didn't even hear him coming! Holy shit! Oh, there he is! Where'd he go? I was like... That scared the shit out of me. I was not expecting that. Alright, everybody, I'll be back here shortly. Here he comes again for another high-speed pass. Here it is, the F-35B Lightning 2. F-35B Lightning 2. Wow! Leslie. Woo! Now that's what I call a performance right there.